Brightwell Aquatics Reef Blizzard is a powdered planktonic food for corals, invertebrates, and fish. The biopigment-rich food is a blend of marine plankton and proprietary particles that will provide proteins, amino acids, vitamins, and minerals formulated specifically to improve coloration and coral health. The slow-sinking particles are made in the USA from US-sourced, high-quality ingredients. The dense powder is more economical compared to liquid plankton foods and allows aquarists to easily fortify with Brightwell Aquatics Coral Amino, Restore, and Vitamarine C for a well-balanced and nutrient-dense diet. 3 different particle sizes are available to meet the feeding requirements of all reef tank inhabitants. Reef Blizzard S is the smallest particle size and perfect for SPS or small polyp stony corals. Reef Blizzard O is the medium-sized blend for feeding soft corals, bivalves, sponges, tunicates, crinoids, and polychaete worms. Reef Blizzard L is the largest particle size and is great for feeding large polyp stony corals, planktivorous fishes, and a variety of marine invertebrates. Instructions for use. 1. If desired, add Brightwell Aquatics Coral Amino into display tank 30 minutes prior to feeding to trigger a feeding response from your corals. 2. To prepare food, mix desired amount of Reef Blizzard with 1 to 2 ounces of aquarium water and let rest for 5 minutes. Fortify prepared food with desired Brightwell Aquatics nutrient formulations. 3. Turn off protein skimmer. 4. Target feeding with a bulb syringe is recommended to maximize plankton capture. You can also pour the prepared Reef Blizzard into a pump or power head and allow it to circulate throughout your system. 5. After 30 minutes, resume protein skimming. 6. Frequency of feeding is based on the nutritional needs of your aquarium inhabitants. Weekly feedings are typical for a mixed reef aquarium, but it is safe to feed daily so long as waste levels are properly monitored and controlled.